The DDE McLaren-720 GTR is officially back at Cannonball Garage after completing the GoldRush Rally. And before we start taking things apart, we're establishing a solid plan for the path forward. That means understanding the car, the goals, and the foundation we need to build from. At the same time, we're putting the finishing touches on something really special. Right now, we are wrapping up the expansion of our new Cannonball Special Operations area and engine room. Fresh epoxy floors, a Levrack storage system, 2 new Challenger lifts, a Snap-on Tools Build-A-Bay install, and a dedicated space built specifically for projects like this. It only seems fitting that the first car to roll into our new CSO area is one of the most recognizable McLarens on the planet. This area was built to showcase the kind of work Cannonball Special Operations is all about. Big projects, serious builds, high-level problem solving, and vehicles that require more than just a quick fix. We're going to go through the 720 GTR from the front to the back. We will perform a complete inspection, figure out exactly what the car needs, talk through the long-term goals, and build a plan that focuses on more than just big power. Because, as you know, with a car like this, reliability matters just as much as performance. This is not about looking backwards. It's about what comes next. It's about taking an already legendary McLaren and giving it the attention it deserves and building a path forward so it can get back to doing what it was built to do, perform. The next chapter of the DDE 720 GTR starts here at Cannonball Garage, and we're excited to bring you all along for the ride.